Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best motorcycle tool bags that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NBOMOTO Universal Motorcycle Tool Bag. We are glad to introduce to you another great product, and it is known as NBOMOTO Tool Bag. This product is smartly designed to have the size that can keep many types of tools. If you take a look at the material of it, it is the synthetic leather that is very soft yet durable. Choosing this pick is the right choice as it suits all types of motorcycle models well. The buckles are installed as well. As a great point, feel free to install and make adjustments. If we take a sneak peek at the package, you'll see that it comes with 2 mounting straps as well. Please be informed that this product comes in many sizes, so it is great if you check it out before making a purchase. Don't wait around anymore. This bag is the product you need when you are going for a fun motorcycle ride. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Issyzone PU Leather Motorcycle Tool Bag. This is another nice product from the Issyzone brand. First of all, this one is smartly designed to have 2 straps. This product is great for attaching at the back and front of the bike. The size of it is great for keeping many necessary tools and documents. Another great feature of it is, it will always stay in place even when you are riding on a bumping road. And, the material used for constructing this product is PU leather. Better than many other types of leather, the surface of it is free from water and snow. If you choose this one, we guarantee that the problem with harsh weather will be eliminated. Last but not least, you will get up to a 6-month warranty when you make a purchase too. At number 3, we have the ElaineStore Motorcycle Saddlebag. ElaineStore makes their way to the list today by introducing this awesome handlebar bag. This product is smartly designed to have the nice size that matches with the motorcycle well. It also has the holes for the easy installation time too. If you are concerned about the quality of it, we ensure that it is the best you should get. The material used for making this product is synthetic leather. As a great point, you can enjoy using this high-quality product for a long time. If you take a look at the style and design of it, you'll see that it is covered with flap covers. More than this, the strap of this bag will keep it in place too. Such a nice product is great for the sissy bar, front forks, handlebar, tail rack and more. You can get this nice bag as a gift for your friends and family as well. At number 2, we have the Hide and Drink Motorcycle Tool Bag. The next unique and useful product you may want to take a look at goes to the Hide and Drink brand. First of all, the design of this product is ready to ensure the convenience of the user. It allows you to have enough space to put your tool in the organized way. On top of this, what makes this product different from the rest is the fact that it is the handmade product. It is very soft yet very durable too. The material used for designing this product is full grain leather. As a great point, the quality of it is built to last. When you make the purchase on this product, you can enjoy its lifetime warranty as well. Don't hesitate anymore, you can get it as a gift for your loved one too. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vintage Crafts Goat Leather Motorcycle Tool Bag. The next awesome product that you are going to hear from us is the one from the Vintage Crafts brand. It is the great goat leather, which is designed to work well with all types of motorcycles. This is also known as a leather saddlebag as well. The size of it allows you to keep many tools with peace of mind. Don't worry, you can also make adjustments to the strap too. The buckle of this bag is made from high-quality metal. The next awesome point of it is, it has a classic look that will sure to enhance your elegance when you are riding. Don't worry, you can use this bag in all types of weather. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.